All right, I ordered the Touch of Nature Kingsyard bird feeder, and I'm going to put it together. The instructions are actually on the side of the box, and I'm going to use it for mealworms. So let's get going. Okay, so the first thing I did was take this off of the hook, and I'm going to take the cover off. According to the instructions, this just fits in like that. It just snaps in just like that, and then this rod goes right through. This is where you can adjust it for the height, and then it just screws right in to the metal plate. You can see that there, just screw it right in. That's it. Went together super easy. So then if you want to adjust the height of the cover or the umbrella, you can do that with this little knob right here. So that's pretty easy. Now let's fill it up and hang it up. All right, I ordered this on Amazon. You can see here I filled it up with mealworms. It was $27.99 Prime 2-day shipping. It's hanging up here. I think it's going to be great, and it's sturdy. That's the main thing. That bottom tray is metal. It's got holes to drain the water, and the umbrella is adjustable. So I'm going to give it a try for a few weeks, and I'll let you know if it's not any good, but I think this is going to be a great bird feeder, and for $27.99 it's well worth it. Thanks everybody, and like and subscribe.